Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest updates and features on popular platforms like WhatsApp. Today, we're going to walk you through a simple yet powerful feature: adding a photo status on WhatsApp web using your PC. This is a great way to share moments with your contacts directly from your computer. First, let's get started by opening WhatsApp web. You can do this by navigating to web.whatsapp.com and scanning the QR code with your phone to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar WhatsApp interface on your PC. Now, let's dive into adding a photo status. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu with several options. Click on Status to enter the Status section. Here, you can view updates from your contacts and also create your own. To add a new photo status, click on the green circle with the plus sign next to your profile picture. This will open a menu where you can choose the type of status you want to create. Select Photos and Videos to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a photo from your computer. Browse through your files and select the image you want to share. You can also add a caption to your photo if you like, which is a great way to add context or a personal touch. Once you've selected your photo and added any desired text, click Send to share your status update. Your photo will now be visible to your contacts, and it will disappear after 24 hours, just like on the mobile app. This feature is incredibly useful for sharing moments from your PC, whether it's a screenshot, a photo from a recent event, or just something funny you found online. WhatsApp web continues to evolve, making it easier to stay connected with friends and family from any device. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and updates on using WhatsApp and other platforms effectively.